In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create unlimited Telegram accounts step by step. This is useful if you want separate accounts for business, personal use, or managing multiple communities, all on the same device. Telegram officially allows multiple accounts, as long as you use different phone numbers. I'll keep this simple and beginner friendly, so make sure to watch till the end. If this video helps you out, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials. Let's get started. First, open the Telegram app on your phone. Once Telegram is open, tap on Settings. On Android, you'll see this at the bottom right. On iPhone, it's also located in the bottom menu. Inside Settings, Settings, tap on Add an account. Telegram will now ask you to enter a phone number. This phone number must be different from any number already linked to another Telegram account. Enter the new phone number you want to use and make sure it's active and able to receive messages. After entering the number, tap Next. Telegram will now send a one-time password or OTP to that phone number via SMS or call. Enter the OTP when prompted to verify the number. Once the verification is complete, your new Telegram account will be created instantly. You can now switch between multiple Telegram accounts directly from the app without logging out. To add even more accounts, just repeat the same steps with another phone number, and that's how you can create unlimited Telegram accounts easily. If this video helped you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and updated tech tutorials.